What's going on, y'all? It's your boy back with another one. I want to talk about DePIN. Have you ever heard of it? Well, it's one of the hottest narratives in crypto right now. What is DePIN? How does it work? Which tokens should you keep an eye on? Stick around. Let's talk about it. We back. So what exactly is DePIN? DePIN stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Network, and it's a groundbreaking concept that leverages blockchain technology and tokenized incentives to develop and maintain real-world infrastructure. That's a mouthful. But what we're doing is we're talking about transforming sectors like transportation, energy, and wireless networks. Sounds cool, right? Let's break it down. Traditional infrastructure is often centralized, which can lead to inefficiencies and vulnerabilities. What DePIN does is it flips this model on the head by decentralizing control and operations. It taps into unused or underutilized resources from all over the world. So just imagine all the idle storage space and bandwidth and sensors out there. DePIN harnesses these resources through open participation and token incentives. So how does it really work? Well, we're going to give a quick rundown and we're going to talk about resource contribution, service provision, economic scale, token value, and network effect. From the top, you as a node operator, we contribute idle assets like storage space, bandwidth, and sensors to the network. Users pay with native tokens to access these services provided by this decentralized network. As the network grows with more participants and resources, it becomes more self-sustaining. The native tokens increase in value with more participation, boosting rewards for contributors. This creates a flywheel effect where more participants and resources continually expand and strengthen the network. So let me break it down another way just in case you didn't understand. Now imagine you have a super powerful gaming computer that's just sitting there most of the time. Like this Mac that I have back here, it's an old computer. I just have it really for like display and it's just sitting there. DePINs are like a program that lets you rent out that extra computing power to other people who need it for things like creating cool animations or designing video games. Kind of like an Airbnb, right? In return, you earn special tokens that could become more valuable as more people join the network. DePINs are basically about sharing unused resources like storage space, internet connection, or even sensors in your phone to create big networks that everyone can benefit from. With DePINs, anyone can contribute a little bit of what they have extra, and together it increases a massive network. This can be cheaper, more reliable, and even fairer than the way things are done today. Of course, it's a new idea, so you know there are some kind of kinks that need to be worked out, but DePINs have the potential to change the way we build and share resources in the future. So now let's talk about some of the popular ones that may be making waves. I'm only going to talk about three because at the end of the day, you have to do your research for yourself. Now let's start with Render. Maybe you've heard of Render. Yes? No? Maybe? Well, Render Network provides near real-time rendering using a decentralized GPU model. It's perfect for 3D rendering tasks and emergent applications that need heavy GPU computational power. The next one we have is Helium. Helium is a decentralized wireless network that allows devices anywhere in the world to connect to the internet and geolocate themselves without a traditional satellite or cellular hardware. It's revolutionizing wireless connectivity with its innovative approach. Then we have Nodal. I have Nodal on my phone. Nodal uses your Bluetooth or your smartphone's sensor to collect real-world data through missions, and as a result, you earn Nodal tokens when the missions are completed. You get to choose the missions and you run them as you desire. So you might be wondering where you can purchase or get involved. Well, you can always buy DePIN tokens like Render or Helium on a centralized exchange like Crypto.com or Binance or Coinbase. You can also always check CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko to find out where, if you wanted to get it from a decentralized aspect. Now, these tokens not only give you access to the network services, but they also act as an investment, as their value can increase with the network's growth. So if you're ready to get in where you fit in, then it's time for you to get in where you fit in. In conclusion, DePINs are reshaping how we think about infrastructure. By decentralizing ownership and leveraging global resources, they offer a more efficient, resilient, and inclusive approach to building and maintaining the networks that power our world. Sure, we know there are going to be challenges like regulatory hurdles and the need for new technical standards, but that's just all a part of growth. That has to happen. The potential benefits are far too significant to ignore. So, with that being said, That's all we have for today. If you find this video helpful in any type of way, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome crypto content, and ring that bell so you never miss an update. Let me know what you think about DePINs in the comment, or if there's one that you're probably already invested in. Which projects are you excited about? Let me know. Comment below. Until next time, it's your boy. Catch y'all on the next one.